Kubor Kabatisi TV. Lawan Rashapi dak Modrina Auto Enterprises, Maulai Nongkwar TSS Road Shillong, Ringkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant, M Crown Hotel, Kendaila Shillong, bat ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo Shillong. One bantit ya ka Kali Datsun Ready Go Batamai, kabas kem bat Bidor.
Haka arpo nyo trik urisau arajar arpo ke Shillong Hyundai Mauyong Rim Shillong kala rakhe ya ka jingyai lenti ya ki shipeu tuli ki SNEM haka jing shakri ya ki paitba lengba ka jingde ya ki kali hakini ka sngi le ya don lang utrai ka showroom uba KT Marbanyang ka Kurim ka Kong Jolly Marbanyang uba Godwin Lakyang try jong ka Banalari Wallcar uba Shempang utrai jong ka Nissan Orange Showroom u manager ki nong tray ka showroom ki parlong bat ki nong sha khot ngobha baro ki he ka company Hyundai ki la pha ya ukurwa ai khublai kerpang ru ya ka Shillong Hyundai lengba ka video conference kumjo ru na ki customer ki belathet bon ki kali nakani ka slem di kali nagaliang ki try ka showroom ki la ai khusnam kerpang ru ya ki nong tray baro rengkat ya arngut ki nong tray ki balane shipeu SNEM kenti hado kani kasngi rakhe nado pasdang ban play ya kani ka jakadi kali da ka ba airu marchilak tengka ka fixed deposit but hakajo ka por ki try jong ka showroom kila ai ngobharu ya u manager da ka wei ka kali I20 ka bathammai but lapankut ya kani ka jing rakhe da ka jingot lang ya u cake shipho SNEM.
Same stands true in a lifetime of an organization. Team Shillong Hyundai would like to thank all our customers, the people of Shillong, our manufacturers HMIL, for a decade-long trust in us and our services. On the occasion of the 10th anniversary of this organization, I want to spend time recalling the past. My biggest feeling is enthusiasm and dream are the greatest assets. Standing on the stage of the 10-year anniversary celebration, I am deeply touched remembering the time when we were shortlisted and given our LY in Kolkata. You must have seen the photograph some time ago. Accompanied by my lovely wife, deciding finally to start this business with no experience in the automobile industry. Seek investments through every relationships to persuade people about our dreams. Eventually, be able to start from our home office with 2 boys, small little boys running around. And not to forget the support from Rajiv, who quit his job in Delhi so that he could give the required support and strong foundation. Here, I'd like to add, not forgetting Steve, who was always there for me, my good man Friday, supporting us all through. Organizations are like families. We build them with all our hearts, putting our blood and sweat, and not the least, our money. Into it with one sole purpose, to fulfill, that is to make it grow and flourish. In a family, we take care of each other's well-being, and make sure that everything functions smoothly. Similarly, we all are a family here. We all take care of each other, take care of our responsibilities we have, so that we all together can make our dreams come true. The dream of taking our organization to providing ultimate customer satisfaction, the dream of making it an organization which is known for its quality products, quality service, and commitment towards work. Last 10 years that we have spent doing business and delivering results on actionable insights from our partners, manufacturer, has given us all a unique perspective of business itself. 5 months. Bending, as you all know, completed 10 years with us. Technician, 1 year, 3 months. Yeah. Another technician again, completed 8 months. Completed 8 months. Riazuddin, who was a head painter. Here's my 2 more years to go. 2 years and 9 months. 1 year, 9 months. Someone who takes care of things that should.
It gives me great pleasure to congratulate Shillong Hyundai for its completion of 10 years. Its successful tenure is testimony that Meghalaya is rich in entrepreneurship, if you have the will to strive on. I encourage the youth in particular to pursue entrepreneurship, as you will not only benefit yourself, but also enrich your state with employment opportunities. Meghalaya is in the top rung of automobile users in the nation, and as the focus is now shifting to low emission vehicles, I wish the Shillong Hyundai team best wishes to usher in this new concept for our state as well. Thank you, Mathela Kublai Shibun.